And today, I'm doing a mod review of the mod I've been working on for a while. And today we'll be doing the achievements of the first 3 levels of Chef in my mod. So today we're going to be making some food that normally doesn't exist in Minecraft. So let's do it. Okay, so level 1 is making a sausage. Sausage! Sausage King reference from Power League. It's some sort of combination between these meats. I'm trying to figure it out. There you go. This is the raw sausage. Kind of looks gross. Now we put it in the oven. And there we go, just like that. We got the first achievement, Chef level 1, by making a sausage. Okay, number 2. We're gonna have to wait. We need a villager for number 2. For this. Here we go. Okay, so now the villager should become a vegetable seller. I do need to still work on the model for this, but he's become a veggie seller. So now we can get the lettuce for the next level. Next level is lettuce wraps. We have to let him level up again. There we go. Now let him level up one more. Yeah, level him up. We're out of emeralds. Emeralds. Takes a lot of emeralds to get the lettuce. Oh, now we have to let him replenish. Wait, do we? No, we don't. Okay, let him level up one more time. Now we got the lettuce we need. And we need one more piece. Now we put the beef in the oven. So you can make these recipes in survival with this mod. So it is survival compatible. So this is done. Now it's time to make the lettuce wrap. We made a lettuce wrap. There we go. Chef level 2. Okay, chef level 3. Chef level 3 is making a pizza. This is probably the hardest one. Need to get a stick from here. Need a glass bottle. Need a glass bottle to make the tomato sauce. There you go. Tomato sauce. We need to wait for this to grow. There we go, all grown. So, I forgot I'm a creative. Nope. Okay, so we use the wheat to make flour. Then we need the bucket from here. We actually need 2 buckets because to get the cheese, we have to cook the milk. Then we need milk for the dough. Then we need to get the sugar. We need to get the sugar. We also need an egg. Then time to make the dough. Make the sugar. Time to make the dough. We have the dough. We should have the cheese. Yep. Now we can make the raw pizza. And after this, we put it in the oven. Here's the raw pizza. Actually looks pretty good. And we put it in the oven and let it cook. There we go. Pizza's all finished. I think he wants some. Let's taste it first. That good pizza. Okay, actually taste it. Do you want some? There you go. So we made pizza, made us some sausage, and we made a lettuce wrap. So we made all 3 of these today. Hope you liked my mod so far. There's more to it, just haven't shown it yet. And I'll continue to show some mod reviews on it until I'll continue to show some mod reviews on it. Hope you like this video. May Christ bless you guys. Please subscribe and like. Once again, may Christ bless you guys. See you guys later. Goodbye.